Do you want to know what one of the biggest missed opportunities are in social situations? Making introductions. So let me explain. Almost always when I get introduced at a networking event, a party, or a client meeting, it's almost always in a generic way. Polly, meet Mike. Mike, this is Polly. Boring, right? And a waste of a golden opportunity. Introductions are a great way to highlight people, even if you've just met them a few minutes ago. Introductions give you another chance to make a great impression because you set the people you're introducing up for success and in the best possible light. For example, instead of saying, Matt, meet Jane, try, Matt, let me introduce you to Jane. We just met and she is telling me the most fascinating story about her trip to Italy. Or, Carrie, meet Ron. Ron is the most talented muralist I know, and he's created mini masterpieces in some of the most recognized homes in Minnesota. You can even do this when you're introducing yourself. For example, I'm Polly. It's so nice to meet you. I just heard you request an Argentinian wine, and I love a good Argentine Malbec. Are you a wine aficionado? Or, if it's in a professional setting, always use your full name and what you do. So for example, I'm Polly Meyer. I'm the presenter at today's event. It's good to meet you. You know, your name tag says you work at Ecolab. I know some really great people there. How long have you been with the company? Why are enthusing introductions so powerful? First, you give people positive labels right at the start. Second, you tee up a great conversation and possible discussion topics for the people involved. Third, you get people talking about themselves, what they do and who they are, which produces dopamine. That dopamine hit creates a spark, making you more memorable. Boom! Me dropping the mic.